So I would just ask everyone, what do you think is the most impressive metric that you see in here, and why? And Josh, let's start with you. Which is your, if you had to pick a favorite.
It's like picking your favorite child.
Yeah.
I guess I'll go with the efficiency because we'll go back to this is a chance to develop people, give them a career, and I think that's something that if you're in a financial institution, traditionally technology hasn't always been sexy, but now it can be. And there's what we were able to do is get rid of the old school, keep the lights on work, and open it up to something fun and exciting. And I've been able to give. Yes, we're a sizable bank. We're still Mid-Coast Maine, and we've got 4 people from Mid-Coast Maine that now have careers. So it's been pretty exciting.
Yeah, I'm going to be selfish and choose 2, so forgive me here. What I truly like is the words have been used earlier. You can choose agile or scalable data architecture, which leads to business growth. This is the messaging, again, the direct line of auditability of tech scalability and releasing your assets for actual true business outcome, and being able to draw that back to show that scale and agility to not only help you understand your customers better, protect the risk of the bank and the brand, because again, in banking, it's all about foundational, about trust, right? So the words they need to understand is that if 1, don't lose money, 2, don't get your name in the newspaper for something bad, and if you forget number 3, read 1 and 2 again. Right? And I believe that scalable data architecture with agile ways of working that enables business growth on a tremendous foundation. People are not going to want to take their money away from your bank. It will draw more money.
I'm going to go with the operational efficiency. The numbers there are great. Saving, you may read that as maybe 7 people got lost their job. I read it as people are doing more important things in these repeatable steps that very talented folks may not want to do all day long, or are now able to do things that are more interesting to them with new technology. So saving 1,500 hours of work and over 7 FTEs, I think that's great. The opportunity cost there is tremendous.
I'm going to be unique and say operational efficiency because automation really resonates with me. And I think automation, and not surprising coming from AWS, but automation can create quality, predictability. There's just so many positives to it, and the fact that you were able to save 1,500 hours and the 7 FTEs is just profound stuff.
Yeah, I'm going to join the chorus as well. Well, the majority of my career was spent in driving growth, right, and marketing and using analytics to innovate. Ultimately, I know how hard it is to create that paradigm shift in an organization like Camden, to be able to move the view and the concept of technology of being a cost center to a value creator, right, and being able to provide careers, in Josh's words, for folks there and giving them higher value opportunities to develop, and again, to be able to attribute that to his team and moving the institution forward is nothing to sniff at. I mean, that is phenomenal, and something that really hits home for me as part of understanding and learning and talking to Josh more and more about this. That's what really stands out.
So maybe I'll just do a quick, we'll turn it to the crowd here and we'll do a show of hands. Who thinks that the democratization of data, self-service and scale with 140 digital analytics is that anybody's favorite? All right, we got the Snowflake team checking in on self-service and scale. Agile data governance reclaiming 70, is it 70 terabytes or 80?
Yeah, 70 now.
Yeah, with 5 Data Marts that are holding 80% of bank's data. Soon to be 95. So, business growth, 1 data match. Operational efficiency. And that scalable data architecture that's really able to grow with new data sources and new analytics. Steve, just raise your hand.
I want to work for it. What if it's not illegal?
All right. Well, that's that. Those are the